Databox is like an email to communicate to the local government offices and businesses na meron dito. So, it's a special email dito na dito lang po pwede, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. And then, yun, kung halimbawa gusto mong mag-apply ng, gusto mong mag-file ng secondary income sa OSBeche, you can do it via Databox. And then, pag magfa-file ka ng tax, you can also do it via Databox. So, it's very, very helpful. And then, there are two types of Databox, no? The first one is the personal, which is for personal usage lang. Kung mag-a-apply ka kung magre-renew ka sa Ministry of Interior, you can do it via Databox for personal use only. And then, meron din yung for business. So, kapag may trade license ka, you can choose the Databox for business. So, depende dyan kung anong gusto mong kuhanin. Pwedeng parehas, pwede rin isa lang. So, it depends on you.